Hey guys, so I am going to read to you today Easter Mice by Bethany Roberts, illustrated by Doug Cushman. Easter Mice. Easter mice, hop, 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 time for the egg hunt. Who will win? Easter mice, jump, jump, jump. Ready, set, let's begin. Look, look, around the tulips. 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, 4. Peek, peek, behind the daffodils. Spotted eggs, striped eggs, more, more, more. One little mouse picking flowers, sniff with spring fling. Mud pies, mud feet, wiggle like a worm, laugh with a ladybug, swing, swing, swing. Ride, glide, boating in a puddle, one little mouse falls in, splash. Leapfrog, leapfrog, bounce, 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 race with a robin, dash, dash, dash. Stop the egg hunt, count, let's see, which little mouse has won, won, won. One has the most eggs. One has the biggest egg. One hasn't found an egg. No, not one. A sad little mouse, wishing for an Easter egg, runs away, feeling blue. Sighing, spying, trying to find an egg. Looking, looking, what to do. Stamp, tramp, trip on a toadstool, stumble, tumble, bump, 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 down, down, roll down the hill. Here's an Easter egg, jump, jump, jump. 4 Easter mice dance in the spring shine, dizzy, whizzy, step, hop, bend. Most eggs, biggest eggs, one has the best egg. Crack! Surprise! An Easter friend. Oh, boys and girls, I hope that you maybe get to do an egg hunt around your house. Happy Easter!